Okay, this is an attempt to demonstrate the new Content Aware Crop tool in the latest release of Photoshop. As you can see in this image, I cut the bird's tail too close on the bottom edge. I needed to have more room. So go to the new crop tool, make sure Content Aware is selected, and then just make your crop. I would like to have the flowers in the crop. All three of these flowers I like, and I need a little bit more space below the bird's tail. So this will give me the space I need. Click here. Photoshop does its thing, and you can see that it does a pretty darn good job. It finishes this flower stem. I might need to work on this one a little bit. This I could do a little bit of work here, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Bird's tail is not at the edge anymore. I like it.